Hello everybody, today I'm going to review the Syma X5UW quadcopter drone from DoDoeleph. The drone looks very impressive, and this is more impressive when I fly it. This is a very stable drone. Wow, this is the first drone that I can fully control. The drone definitely great for beginners. This drone also has many features. First of all, let's talk about the app control. You can download and install an app on Android or iOS smartphones and use the app for real-time control. Awesome, right? Well, let's move to the features that I like the most. The camera. The camera has 1 megapixel photo and 720p video. The quality of the videos and photo is acceptable. Batteries would last in total of 20 plus minutes, and it can fly for a distance approximately of 100 meters. What else? 360 degrees flip feature is awesome. Beyond that, one press for auto takeoff and landing makes it easy to fly this drone. Try it and you will love it. This drone is $75, but if you follow the link in the description, you will have 40% off coupon. The cost will be around $45. It will be expired on September the 30th, 2018. Make sure that you buy the drone with Amazon or Win USA. And finally, I hope you will enjoy the 40% off coupon. Don't forget to bookmark my new playlist, TriKdanG, and please help me reach 1 million subscribers so that I can share more coupons and create more giveaway videos. Hi guys, today I got a new toy. This is a plane and it is called the FX808. This looks very nice on the box. On the left it is an RC as we know, and it says